Hello friends, welcome to Smiley channel. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare Rayalaseema Alasanda Garelu. So this is one of the famous recipe in Rayalaseema. For most of the festivals we make this and we'll serve with any non-vegetarian curry, chicken or mutton gravy. So before showing the vada preparation, so I'm showing you here the best gulab jamuns. So for my wedding anniversary I prepared this. So it came out really well. Whenever I make, it will come out really well. So I have already posted this recipe in our channel. I'll be posting link in the description box. Just have a look at it. So look at them. Very soft, yummy and perfectly fried. Let us see the preparation of vada now. Here 1.5 cup of black-eyed pea soaked for 4 hours and transfer it into a wide bowl. So fill with water till half and mix it with hand, press and mix, and pour this water into another bowl. Just shake it while pouring so the skin will come out. Repeat the same process for 7 to 8 times with the same water. So without wasting much water we can do this. Even you can do the same process under the tap water. So this is how the clear black-eyed pea we need to get. So this is the process which I learned from my mother. Now without water, without moisture, here we are transferring this black-eyed pea into a mixer jar. So moisture will be there, but make sure that you are not transferring any water. According to the spice, minimum 8 to 10 green chilies you need to add. And leave little bit of black-eyed pea at the end, friends, in the bowl. So adding curry leaves and onions, 1 inch ginger, 8 to 10 garlic without skin, salt according to your taste. Just make a coarse paste as I am showing here and see the consistency. Transfer it into another bowl. Here 1 finely chopped onion and curry leaves, a pinch of cooking soda and whole soaked black-eyed pea. Mix everything with hand. Make sure that when you are grinding, do not add water. So here take water in another bowl. Take a handkerchief, dip it in water and spread it. Now before taking the batter, just dip your hand in the water and take, so that it will not stick to your hand, and make a ball as I am showing. Keep it on the hand key and just press it. Make sure that the edges should be thin and make a hole in the middle so it will fry well. Now we are checking whether the oil is hot or not. See, take the hand key from one side and take vada to another side, so it will come out very well from the hand key, and drop it from the edge. I am showing the same thing again. Just have a look at it. So hold the hand key and take it, so it will come out really nice to your hand. So slowly you need to drop it. If you are watching our channel for the first time, please subscribe, friends. Here once you get golden color, one side you need to turn to the other side and you need to fry. So once it is fried well, once you get this golden color, you need to remove from oil. You can store this for up to 2 to 3 days, or better you can keep it in the fridge and you can use it. So it will be very nice. You can try this with even onion chutney. So these are medium sized. So the roadside or the hotel vadas will be made in this way. If you are trying this for the first time, you can follow this procedure also, but you need to take little less batter while making that. So they are called chitti garelu. So roadside shops, street side shops, they will serve with onion chutney. So try this recipe, friends, and comment about it. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Click on bell icon for my new video notifications and comment about the video. Thank you so much for watching.